In this video tutorial, I'll be showing our updated curated evidence page in Mastermind. To get to this page, we'll start with a gene and variant search. I'll use ENPP1 P.P305T. When a variant search is launched, you will know right away if our team has curated the variant based on what you see first. At Genomenon, we are on a mission to curate the genome, and this is one of many variants that our team has curated and is really us showing our work. For this variant, you'll notice the two red banners that both say pathogenic. These banners will always be red if the variant has a pathogenic or likely pathogenic classification. If the variant is classified as benign or likely benign, the banner will be light blue, and for variants of unknown significance, they will be purple. Starting at the top of the middle of the screen, in the large red banner, in addition to the classification, you will also notice the type of variant that you searched, the disease that is associated with this variant, and when our team last updated the content of this variant. Below, you can see at a high level which ACMG criteria were met under the clinical, functional, population, computational, and intrinsic categories, with supporting PMID references. To see more population data, click the Show Nomad Data. Below this, you will see two headings, Clinical Evidence and Functional Evidence. Each of these boxes below contains article-specific information. Looking at this first article on the left under Clinical Evidence, you can see the article title, publication date, PMID, which ACMG criteria were met, and a quote from that article. This is a quote that our curators felt was one of the more impactful statements from the paper to meet the ACMG classification category. To read more, simply click the PMID link to open PubMed in a new tab. As I scroll, you can view all the papers that were used as part of this curation. We have also added a section called Variant Referenced with Inapplicable Evidence. These are papers that our team of curators have reviewed but did not believe had enough strong evidence to meet or support an ACMG classification criteria. Moving to the top left of the screen, this is the variant info card, which contains a summary of the curated evidence and ACMG categories that were met. Below, we have the ClinVar record. To link out to the ClinVar record, you can click this link, and to view more information about this ClinVar record, hover over the I, where you'll see the description, status, and submissions. Below the variant card, we have the article list. The article list has the same filters you're used to, all articles or full text only. You can sort by relevance, match count, publication date, journal name, and impact factor. And you can still search for title, journal, PMID, or specific author. Focusing on the article list now, you see here we have gene and variant matches. Gene and variant matches are represented by these symbols here. For this article, there are 340 gene matches and 75 variant matches. In each article card, we include the title, date of publication, author, journal, and the PMID. Clicking this link will link out to PubMed. Anytime you see the Genomenon G with the blue clinical evidence or functional evidence tag, that article was used by our curation team for classifying the variant. You'll also notice this NIH symbol to the left of the PMID. This indicates that your article was included in ClinVar evidence for your variant. To view information about the article, you can simply click on the article's box, and note that you can always return to the curated evidence viewer by clicking the red pathogenic banner in the variant info card. Let's focus on the center pane now. We've organized Mastermind to have the text matches from the article abstract, main text, and the supplemental data to be in the center of the screen. We color code the text matches with a color coding legend here at the top, but you can also select what text matches you want to view. So if you want to only view the variant text matches, uncheck the gene, and if you want to only view the gene matches, then uncheck the variant. Another feature I'd like to point out, if you click on a match, you can see what matched to what entity. So here we have a variant matched for ENPP1 P.P305T, and we match the C. nomenclature here. If you want to see all the articles by a specific author, simply click the author name, and we will populate the author name in the search bar of the article list. On the right-hand side of the page, we have information on clinical trials. Here are the 2 sponsored programs that are currently recruiting patients. You can click the links to learn more, and below are links to various clinical trial databases, such as clinicaltrials.gov. Below, you'll find a couple more resources and then related variants. Related variants are determined by an internal scoring criteria, and we display the top 15 matches. Related variants with a curated evidence record will now be colored on the left-hand side here, so you can see for ENPP1 Y301C, it is a pathogenic variant, and to view the evidence for that variant, you can simply click this button. If you ever have any questions, you can always click the Contact Us button up here at the top of your screen, or you could connect with our support team at support@genomenon.com. Thank you.